Hello everybody, it's Cora from the Decorating Housewife. I'm so glad you stopped by. Today I am looking at these placemats that I purchased from Dollarama. They cost me $2.25 each and they're by D Maison. These are beautiful, beautiful placemats, but today I am going to be making some botanical throw cushions. So I hope you join me. I really love the blues and the greens of these designer fabrics, but as you can see, these cushions can be pricey. So I'm going to make my own for less than a fraction of the price and still get that luxurious designer look. I'm going to make 2 cushions and I'll be using 4 placemats for this project because I like when the pattern shows on both sides of the pillow, and I'll be using just regular filler from an old pillow that I had to stuff them with. Okay, so right now I'm just measuring how much stuffing I'm going to need for each cushion. This is a no-sew cushion, so I'm going to hot glue the one edge. I'm going to place my placemat carefully along that edge and just press down. Now I'm going to hot glue the top edge of the placemat. And now I'm going to place my filler inside the cushion cover. And very carefully I am going to hot glue it closed. I'm going to be using this silky cord in gold. I also got at Dollarama and it cost me $2. And I'm going to hot glue it around the edge of the pillow just to give it a more polished and finished look. Well, I'm really happy with the way this cushion turned out. I hope you enjoyed watching this simple DIY and make one for yourself. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day and see you next time.